Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Xbox consoles do not support two independent displays like a PC. That means you cannot extend gameplay across two monitors natively. You can mirror the same image to two screens with an HDMI splitter instead. Use a powered HDMI splitter that supports HDMI 2, 0 and 4K 60Hz for best results. Alternatively, you can stream your Xbox to a Windows PC using the Xbox app, then display the stream on a second monitor as a mirrored view. To mirror to two monitors, buy a powered HDMI splitter that supports HDMI 2, 0 and 4K 60Hz. Connect the Xbox HDMI out to the splitter input. Then run HDMI cables from the splitter outputs to each monitor. Both monitors will show the same image and refresh rate. Audio is mirrored too, so use the Xbox optical or 3.5mm adapter for separate speaker setups. Check cable length and quality. Use 3-meter or shorter HDMI cables for reliable 4K performance. For a second independent display, stream your Xbox to a Windows PC using the Xbox app. Connect both devices to the same local network for best quality. Open the Xbox app and start streaming. The stream appears in a resizable window. Move that window to your second monitor and optionally set it to full screen at 60Hz. Streaming introduces latency, so use wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and close background apps for lower lag and smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.